I'm genuinely silly. All right, we're back. 6 o'clock. The market just opened. People. Um, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm tired. I'm tired, but I'm gonna do it because I got some feedback about I should do some late night streaming for my peoples who work 9 to 5s. I got you. I got you. So today, yeah, like I just said, the market just opened. At 6 o'clock. Tokyo session don't start till 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm gonna stay on till 9 p.m. I think. And, yeah, we're gonna be trading forex tonight, just to show people that it's possible. You don't always have to trade futures, but I prefer futures. But we're gonna trade forex, and we are building an account. So, um, hold on. Also, I did this on Sunday so people can ask questions and I have time to answer, because typically on Monday through Friday, during my New York session, I don't really answer questions because I'm actually trading my futures account, which is big money. So I be really focused. Nevertheless, we're going to get straight to it. We're going to trade. Well, I'm going to show y'all I'm building an account. That's what I was talking about. Um, I started with $250. This was like a week ago. And right now I'm like at 700. And I'm trying to build. I want this account to get to 5,000. So let's see what we got. Hopefully it's a good day. Oh, I probably should have kept my charger. Okay, wait. Where's that? Okay, let's get to it. All right, so this is my Trade Locker account. And right now the balance, I don't know how to unclick that. It's $778.66 on a Sunday. Let's see what we get that. This is a small account, but we're gonna grow it because it's possible. Now, Tokyo session don't get popping until 8 p.m., but I might just enter a little trade. We gonna see. And I'm gonna show y'all money. This is like my futures account. Oops. I wanna move this out the way. That's all right. And like I said, with Forex, it's spread. So I typically don't like getting in the market with this big old spread. And I'm not fin to just to show people on a video, because this is my real money and I don't play them games. And y'all can finally see that trading is a game of waiting. So I will sit here 2 hours if I have to before I enter a fucking trade. I'm not losing my money. So we can see in a daily time frame what the chart's looking like. So what I do, I draw my Fibonacci. I go ahead and do that when the market over. And you do the fib on the previous day candle. I don't know why I grabbed the wrong one. Oh wait, is the fib not on my trade locker? Oh nah. Yeah, I gotta wait. Oh fuck. I gotta do this. Okay. They don't have not one wick on it. Oh, they do. It's just really fucking small. Okay. Okay, yeah, I do my fibs. So let me do that right quick. Doing Fibonacci is just another confluence I use for trading. It don't always be on point. Maybe like 75% it does. And I love it. So basically, I'll explain it shortly. Two, 5, 11, 85. Basically, when you do the fibs, the golden line is basically where the price will retest at. And the green line is where you think the price will majority go to. So it's just another form of confluence when trading. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna do this and let people see shit. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my futures account because I'm on here. Which is it moves similar. It's just more money and different numbers. The price action numbers are not the same. So this gonna be real quick. But I'm still looking at the market. Oh, we need to hurry up. Which one I hit? That look about right. 254,810. Child, posture. Posture. So I do all these lines like this and just put it at the price because I do not like looking at this big old chart, like these lines with the numbers on the side. I don't like it. It confuses me. That's just a preference I have. You don't have to do it this way that I'm doing it. It's just easier for me to read my chart. Because I don't want to get confused if price end up at this line and I'm thinking, oh, it's going to do this when the fib don't have to do nothing you say. Nothing has to do nothing you say. Gold gonna do what it want to do when it want to do. But it has been making new highs. And I honestly think this week is going to go up higher. And this week I'm trading micro gold. I gotta get my coins up. Really tempting. All right, so we see price hit this golden fib line. Boom. And it's testing on top. If it tests on top of it, it'll go up to this trend line area for sure. So it'll be a good buy. I'm trying to see how I want to do this. You know what? I ain't gonna trade in my futures unless it give me future vibes. I do that. Do this for my peoples. And now I'm back on my trade locker. I know I'm moving fast. If I am, this is not a lesson. This is just me showing y'all me trading and how I enter and exit my trades. And I'm basically copying what I just did on TradingView to my trade locker, which is my platform. You know what? I think I'm supposed to have another code in there. Oh, just doing what I just did on Trade Locker. I mean, on TradingView to Trade Locker. That's it. Trying to do it. Now, I'm the type to trade when the market opens. Most people don't do that, but I do if it's at my setup. If it's at my point of entry, I'm taking it. Spread or not. I've been doing it the past couple of Saturdays. All right. Let's go, guys. The Tanika is right here. I could close this out. Okay, so you see price is coming back down. Mind you, the market just opened, so if you want to trade when the market open, that's fine. You just gotta find your trading session that you feel comfortable trading in. I'm more of a New York session I be up 7 a.m. and I get off the charts at 1 p.m. Monday through Friday. So I personally think it's in the middle. Like this is consolidation. This little area. So this is not a good area to enter in because you don't know if it's gonna go up or down. So it's best to just wait. However, it is by the retracement of the Fibonacci. So if it touch it, it could go up. But if it touch it and go under and then retest under here, it could go back to this one. What do you call people on YouTube? Oh, thanks for the sub. Thanks for the sub on YouTube. YouTube's funny. Okay. Okay. Let me be serious here, people. So basically, we just watching. That's a long time to watch. I might not stay on to 9. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't feel like it. This how slow the market moves in 1 minute time frame. See this little candle? I didn't see it. But we can enter for a sale because I know it's gonna go down, so we can enter for a sale. I did 20 cents just to play it safe. I'm doing my take profit at this Fibonacci line, which is $37. And I would do my stop loss above the opening price a little bit, which is 215, which is $25. And you see we are running in profit right now at $8. And it's $8 because I did a smaller lot size, 20 cents. Normally with gold, when I do Forex, I do 35 cents like 3 times. But just because the market just opened, I don't want to risk too much of my money. So, um, with that being said, we're in profit now. And if you want to draw the little line, you can. Personal preference or not, totally up to you. but you can see how it's going. And this is a minute time frame. The minute time frame is up here. So normally when the market shoot up one way, it'll come back down. I noticed that by watching the market. And you won't know these things until you watch the market. Like I literally all day, every day, look at the charts. I have to like force myself to get off. So that's just FYI. And then the spread is big here because the market just opened. That's another thing. I'm not gonna sit here and compare forex and futures. I'm not gonna do it this video. Oh, I'm supposed to record. And this how slow the market moves when it first opens. See, when it start doing all that, I'm taking my money. I'm gonna close like 15 when I did 0.20. That's cause I don't trade this session, so we're just doing it just to do it. Like that. And then now I'm setting my stop loss to trail, so it'll follow the price when it goes down, if that makes sense. Because like I said, we build in a small account. And then you have the option of, if you don't want to trail the price, you can just set your stop loss to your entry price, which is 2513.71. So you don't lose or win if it goes back to that price. But I need to take trail off. Make sure you always unclick trail. Always unclick trail. So now we right here. And I put my stop loss at $1.85 just to take some type of profit. But like I did a small lot size. We at 0.05. But I told you, whatever it do, when the market open, it's gonna come back down to where the market open at. It does it all the time. All the time. I'm going back to trail. I'm taking 3 off. So now I got 2. Oh, Instagram can't see nothing. And like I said, this is the minute time frame. Alright, so now my position just closed because it retraced it back to my trail stop loss. So I didn't lose no money. So I modified my stop loss. Remember, initially my stop loss was like up here, and I changed it. I took profit, and then I just moved my stop loss down so I don't lose money. That's the only I do like that about Trade Locker. You control your stop loss. That's pretty dope. So that was our first trade. Boom. I'm supposed to write my notes down, but this is Sunday. Hi, Duns. Um, okay. So what Price is doing right now, what I think Price is doing right now, is going to retest. I'll be pointing it like y'all can see. It's probably gonna retest this area and then go lower. Retest this level and then go lower down here. But we're gonna watch. And for the record, I do not trade Tokyo session often. I be sleep. That's why Haki don't want to do this. Hey, Haki don't want to do this, but I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna make money while doing it. Period. Let me zoom in. And like I said, this is our red zone. I would typically color that red so we don't enter it. You never want to enter in the middle. But price is going down after it tried to retest that line. But I could sit right here and drink my tea the whole time. Mm. I probably took left my trade up there. Yeah, I took this one. This is the first trade we took. Just FYI. Okay. Price moves really slow. And there you go. Why I entered it? Because when the market opens, whatever direction it shoots up in, it'll go back in the direction eventually for a retest. So I only did 0.26, I think, and I won like $10. So let's trade. Now it's in our red zone, which is the middle zone, which I typically do not like entering because you see it's jumbled up right here. Price is jumbled up right here, so it's trying to decide if it should go up or down. That's how I look at it. Don't know what everybody else do. That's just me. Works for me, and I keep it pushing. So yeah, that was a good first trade. Now, if price it broke the golden line, the golden fib line, if it breaks it and retests under, then it going down more. But you have to wait for the candle to close. And Trade Locker is so slow sometimes. Yeah. I'm only doing these on Sundays. Okay. So, in a minute time frame, it broke the golden fib. It went to our red zone, and it's going up. But you want to enter with confidence. Like I would do a bigger lot size if it goes to this fib line or that trend line I have. Normally, like Friday when I hit my trend line, I think I did like 5 contracts. This is future talking. So which is like $1 lot size on gold and forex. So I'm heavy on the trend line lately. It's been working like crazy. You see it hit that price point, boom, hit it, boom, got near it, boom, hit it, boom. Like I'm I love trend lines. However, this time I do think it's gonna go. I do think it's gonna break the trend line. I do think it's gonna break this trend line. It's gonna break it, retest on top. Where's my arrow? I always lose my arrow, my path. I do think it's gonna break it, retest on top of the trend line, and we're going up. I want to put money on this. Is it news tomorrow? Oh, it's orange folder news tomorrow. So I think this is what it's gonna do. It's gonna break my trend line, retest my trend line, and then shoot up. But let me see my other chart. Why am I at? Okay. Okay. I just got something. I don't know why it does that. Anyway, that was that first shit. I have to. Everybody play the same fucking song on their playlist? Genuinely? Okay. Similar. Everybody playing the similar music. Like I said, I think price is gonna create a new high this week. Uh, let me delete this because we already took that trade. shoot. Um. Okay. So what price is that for a little scappy scap? I will sell right quick because it's gonna go down just a little bit prior to this point right here, and it's gonna go up. However, because the spread is so huge, I am not going to enter. I will just be waiting. So you can wait with me or you can leave. Oh. I'm gonna enter a trade just to see something. I saw that coming. I saw that coming. So when you do a smaller time frame, you could just see the candles do what they do a little bit faster. It's good for scalping. That's what I use it for. Uh, that's pretty much it. And that's what we're doing. We're gonna scalp our way to $3,000. Watch. I said 3 or 5. We're gonna scalp our way all the way to $5,000. Not today. And definitely not when the market just opened, child. You gotta wait. But just follow me. Don't just see what we can do along this journey. Cause you don't have to start with 1,000, 2,000, $500. You can start with $100. You just gotta use small lot sizes, and you do Take your little $5 here, take your little $10 here, and you just build it up. That's how you get it. I don't know what to tell you. So why did I enter right here? I entered right here again. I entered right here at this mark. Highlight right here. And I think it's going to go all the way down here. Why did you enter right there, Tanika? Because chat, it rejected over this line. Like it didn't go past this line. This is my support and resistance line. It didn't go through it or whatever. So just for scapping purposes, oh, is using that line as resistance. So that's a good sell point. So I enter as a sell and then boom, it shot straight down. That's what it's doing right now. And that's how I enter and exit trades. I would exit a trade right here or like move my stop loss to this area or set a trailing stop loss because that's a good point. It's been using that point as support. Like it's not passing it and closing underneath that particular line, if that makes sense. But like I said, this is not no education video. This is me just showing y'all how I enter and exit trades doing Tokyo session. And for people who work at night, y'all can finally see because I typically trade the New York session, which is Monday through Friday, 8 to 1. Um, so yeah, that's typically how I trade. Now, back to the 1 minute time frame. And I'm not using big lot sizes, like I said, because I don't trade this session. So it can do anything, and I won't be too confident in it. And I'm not going to lose my money trying to show y'all what to do. Not show y'all what to do, but showing y'all how I trade. That's a better way to put it. So we're gonna take more profit off. We're gonna close 3. We're gonna make our way up there, baby. And I'm put my stop loss at my entry. So it's like this. Boom. So if price get, I don't know why it does that. Oops. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why it does that. So basically if price go back to this, my entry point, it'll close me out. I can trail stop loss it, which means it'll follow price the more it go down. So if it go down more, my trailing stop loss gonna follow it. And then if it stop going down, then my trailing stop loss be still, and price go up, it'll hit my trail stop loss and it'll give me out. But that's how I do that. So this was our second trade of the day, and we are 2 for 2, people, with this little chump change. Let me not call it chump change. I'm not saying chump change. However money you got, put it in an account. It's not chump change. It's your money. But we doing it. I kind of want to get on my futures, but I'm not. Oh. Okay, boom. So price went back up to my entry and it got me out of that trade. So I'm done with that trade. That was 2 for 2 and we're going to wait for the next one. I'm looking for something now. You can add the inventory. Oh. What am I doing? What is this? Oh, I'm adding more indicators. Okay. I think I just found something out. Oh my God. All right, I just figured something out with my little chat. And remember, I told you I trade supply and demand, support and resistance, and the ICT silver bullet strategy. And TradingView has an indicator where you can just like put the ICT. I'm gonna just show how. Okay, basically, I'm gonna do 30 minutes. Oh, it's not up here. What is this? I don't know why it's not up here. Okay, I'm gonna just do it. It's called ICT Silver Bullet. This is what I trade. This only works between a typical particular time frame. Sorry, I just saw my future trade go away. This only works during a particular time frame. The ICT Silver Bullet strategy. Um, Specific time frame and okay, let me start over. The ICT strategy works. Excuse me, I just burped in this mic. Works in a 15-minute time frame. I'm losing my mind. The ICT works better in a 1 minute time frame and a 5 minute time frame between a certain time period. So it typically works between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. and then 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Don't quote me. Google it. YouTube it. It's on there. All the information is on there. And this strategy, boy, when you ain't got no setup going on and you just want to take a trade, use this strategy. So boom. Did I add it on there? Okay, it's on there. So y'all see the lines and stuff like that. Okay. You supposed to use it. They tell you in the top, please use a time frame less than or equal to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna show you 15-minute time frame. Okay. This is nuts. This is like a cheat code. Swear I'm using this tomorrow. I'm gonna use it as another confluence. So boom, basically, this is the time frame. 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. New York time. That's one time frame you could use. 2 to 3 p.m. New York time. 3 to 4. So I can't believe it. So basically it has the box. This is the indicator. It hit this right here. As soon as it ends, it's going up. It's going up. Let's do a 5-minute time frame. Oh, it has the whole lines. Oh my God. It has the whole. Oh my God. I'm about to cry. I'm genuinely about to cry. It has everything, like the market structure shift right here. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. 1 second.
just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. It's so stupid for me like that. But I love when we make up like that. Well, maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that capping. Yeah, he ain't been relaxing, he ain't even did your taxes. We went triple platinum, won't wanna hear no nagging. Made it happen. Young and out that bottom, but he made it happen. I don't wanna make no friends, put me to my hands. Who he think he is in that brand new Benz? They should've knew I was coming, just still a young and I knew I'd give me some money. Know I turn nothing to something, I look at your cousin, the youngest, he's me and running. And I promise to keep it 100, keep it 100. You see me down in the house, so you got to respect me. Fuck you, give me my check, please. Young and chasing green, reaching for the stars. Had it all. But now I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. Yeah. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than ever. Whipping a Tesla, cost hoes, etc. Hit 'em with pressure. My niggas won't let up. Tell 'em niggas to catch up. Wake up, got $1 million in diamonds that sit on the dresser. Run up that check now, flexing my muscles, I feel like cause we come from nothing to rollies and plaques. Fake love, it was holding them back. Flashbacks while you pouring the yak. Since a young nigga, he just wanted to shine. Used to daydream about thumbing through racks. He tuck, it get cold in the rack. Tears fall while he loading the strap. Seen it all, he just wanna relax. I'm richer than I ever been. Put my heart before the bad worst shit I ever did. Gave you a second chance and you laugh again. Remember days I used to wonder will we ever win. Young and chasing green, reaching for the stars. See all you can be, either you gon' starve. Young and out that bottom, but he beat the odds. You love had it all. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. Yeah. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. Don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Okay, we back. That was a mini break. Um, what I was saying was I used the ICT strategy, and I just found out that it's a indicator on TradingView. So I was playing around with that for a couple of minutes and seeing how that works, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty fucking cool. So that's that. Tokyo session is about to open shortly in 15 minutes, a little under 15 minutes, 14 minutes. And let's get back to it. I entered a trade again, so we could just show that. Okay, so boom, entered it because this is a double top right here. I'm gonna take my profits a little, but this is a double top, so I reached this line at this price twice, so I knew it was gonna go down. However, I entered it late because I wasn't watching 100%. So now is at right this point, which is kind of like a double bottom, and it just passed it. So I would delete that. And now we up $21. So I'm gonna take half my profit, more than half, because like I said, I'm building a small account. And then we'll set our stop loss to break even just in case price decides to come back up here, so we don't be in a hole. And so now we're up $812. I don't remember what we started with. Oh, we started with $778. So yeah, now we're just gonna watch price do what it gotta do on a higher time frame. Time out. It reached that point, rejected that point, and shot down. And it's at this next level. These are the lines we already drew beforehand. So it's rejecting that level a little bit right now. And we're about to go to the minute time frame, and you see the wick. So it's rejecting this price. It's rejecting this, but we want it to go down more. But it doesn't have to. But we already took our money off the table, so we okay with whatever it do. So now we're just watching. 1 second. Price is going back to our entry point, so it could get us out. I don't know how to. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this stream thing. They'll be alright. That was a long live anyway for Instagram. Okay, so basically that's what's going on. So I entered this trade. This is what we in. We got up a couple of dollars, and it's not even Asia session. So now I probably restart the stream because I'm having trouble logging into my other accounts. So we'll be right back.